Yeah, hi friends. Welcome to Techworld with Gopi. Today we'll see how to create a IAM user with admin role and how to create a uh, one server with that user. Yeah, let's do. We'll search IAM here. I need to click users, create user. I need to give a name. Provide user access with passwords and all. Select this and these settings useful to create a password and reset the password with the user. This checkbox asks the user settings and password settings to create a new password on login time. Next, here we need to select admin policy to enter admin. We are selecting administration access here. Next, if you want to give tags, you can give tags like project. Yeah, it will show the credentials here. First of all, we need to download. It is available here. You can see tag whatever we created and other settings also. You can set up multi-factor authentication here. Yeah, multiple options is there here. And the access key and secret key you can create here, and AWS CLI and to use in code, provide user credentials in code like that. Now we'll log into that user and we'll create a one server with that credentials. And you're opening the user credentials. We will provide us some URL here like it. We need to copy that. To paste this URL here. Will show like this, account name and IAM username and password. You need to grab that username password. Is a username, admin user. the password. Fine. We'll ask the reset the password. To enter old password. Need to enter new password. Yeah, that's it. We log into the new admin user. Let's create one server with this user. Need to go to EC2 and instances. And it will show the operating systems types: Ubuntu, AWS, macOS, Windows, Red Hat, like this. Most of the time we'll use Ubuntu Linux machine. Yeah, T2 Micro is a free tier. We need to create a key pair. Admin. Here network settings. I'm selecting dev VPC, and dev VPC I'm selecting dev public subnet and enabling public IP. If we not enable public IP, it will provide private IP only. And you can see here public subnet. We want to see how to create VPC. We provide one video in past videos. You can look at that. And security group, you can select a existing security group also, like this option. And advanced settings. To SSH into that server, we need to give one user role, SSM role. That's why we need to create a role for this to SSH. Most of the time in real time we do SSH like this only from console, AWS console. And another way is we can use putty third-party tool. I'm creating one role for this server now. Permissions, SM. We need to give this role Amazon SSM management instance core. This will give the access to SSH this server. I'm giving the SSM the name. I'm giving the name to that role. Creating the role. That's it's created. I'm refreshing here, and it will appear here. This role I'm attaching, and lots of advanced settings is there. shutdown behavior, stop protection enable, and termination protection enable. If someone trying to terminate and stop the server, it will ask to disable the protection first of all. After that, will stop and terminate. If you want to terminate and if you want to stop, yeah, that's why we are enabling here. Is a safety setting like that. Yeah, these are all normal settings. And one more important that is user data. We can give some commands here. On launching time, it will run the commands. We give the commands here. On launching time, it will run and update. Suppose I'm giving the update command. Yeah, like this, we can give multiple commands. If you want to install anything, any tool, on launching time, you can give here. Yeah, let's hit the launch instance button. We create a server. And see here, mission details. See, it will provide a public IP and a private IP. And we attach a SSM role here. Status checks and monitoring, CPU utilization, network utilization, and security group. Now we opened 22 means SSH port to open. In storage, defaultly it will allocate 8 GB. Yeah, let's try to connect this server. In this connect page, it will show like this, and go like this. It will take some time. Yeah, it's appearing connecting button. We can connect like this. Now we are into Ubuntu user. Ubuntu at the rate of IP this is giving. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you. If you want any particular videos, please comment and suggest that videos. Yeah, thank you.